It's a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This Wrangler is the right balance of style and purpose, and with 4 doors, it's easy for everyone to join in on the fun. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: V6 engine, leather steering wheel, external memory control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual tilting steering column, power heated mirrors, auxiliary audio input, Targa sunroof, power windows, and automatic transmission. Road and Track puts forth it's a far better everyday vehicle, safer and more civilized, roomier and more comfortable, without sacrificing one bit of its legendary off-road ability. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.